me, we are diving into the world of 3D shapes. We will draw 6 exciting shapes. Let's discover how these cool shapes look in real life and what makes them so unique. Ready to begin? I'm tracing a shape with pointed tips that form a star. What shape do you think it is? Yes, a star prism. Excellent guess. Next is a 3D shape with 5 sides at the top and bottom. Can you tell me its name? Wow, the pentagonal prism. Spot on. Now I'm sketching a shape like a honeycomb. What do bees use to make this? A hexagonal prism. Great job! This one looks like a squished sphere. Can you guess? An ellipsoid. Awesome answer. This shape has 3 sides on its base and stretches up tall. What is it? That's right, a triangular prism. We are in our last shape. This one is like a dice we play with. Can you name it? A cube. Perfect! Our shapes are looking fantastic. Now let's add some colors. Bring our drawing to life with our favorite colors. The star prism. A prism in the shape of a star. Can you imagine a star cookie cutter made in 3D? Yum! The pentagonal prism. It has 5-sided bases and 5 rectangular sides. Imagine an amazing crystal shaped like this. Please like, Subscribe to our channel and click the bell button so you don't miss any new videos. The hexagonal prism. Beehives are made of hexagonal prisms. Bees are natural engineers. Some prisms, like the pentagonal and hexagonal ones, are named after the shape of their base. The ellipsoid looks like a squished sphere. It's the shape of an egg or a football. Shapes like the ellipsoid are smooth, but prisms have flat surfaces. What kind of shapes do you like to draw? The triangular prism. If you cut a wedge of cheese, it often looks like a triangular prism. The cube. All its sides are the same. It's like a dice or a Rubik's Cube. Which shape do you like drawing the most? Star, prism, cube, or oval? I love your choice. Our 3D shapes look incredible. We've worked so hard and done an amazing job. Make sure to share your colorful shapes with family and friends. They'll be so impressed. I'll see you next time for more drawing fun. By my Pinky Artist.